Hello guys, myself Manoj Kumar, founder of Basics Programming YouTube channel. Now I'm going to explain how to write a Python program to find out common letters between any two strings. Okay, here this hash is nothing but comments. Okay, in Python we will denote comments with hash. Okay, here space is not sufficient, so I wrote here. Now let's go into the program C. Actually, what is the aim of the program? To find out common letters between any two strings. So that means comparing two strings. So we want two strings. So now let's do it. str1. I'm taking str1 is nothing but it's a variable. str1 is equal to input of. Okay. Here input is nothing but like scanf. Its function is like scanf only. Okay. Means taking input from the user. Means here who is user? Me, myself is user. Okay, now I am printing the message. See, enter string 1. Okay, now one string is over. One string I'll give, for example, ball. Okay, now other string I'll take str2 is equal to input of same, enter string 2. Okay, bat. Okay, now first string str1 is stored as ball and str2 is stored as bat. Okay, for example I am taking like this. Okay, now here two words are there, means two strings are there. What is the common letters in the string? B. Here B is there, here B is there, here A is there, here A is there, here L is there, here T is there. It's not common. So what are the common letters? B and A should be print in the output screen, right? In mathematics we have a concept named as sets. In 10th class also we have, you know, that's easy topic. So that same logic will apply in Python. Sets, it is a data type. Okay, now let's see. In to find out the common elements between the two sets, what what operation will use? A intersection B. No, suppose here A is a ball and B is a bat and these are the elements, then what you will use? Huh? Intersection only. No, so that logically we are applying here also. Okay, now s1 is equal to set of string of 1, string 1. Okay, h2 is equal to set of str2. Okay, now I'm printing x1 is h2. What will happen? You see, one printing in one line only. Okay, now I'm running this program. Okay, save. Okay, enter string 1. First string what? ball, ball. Okay, second string bat. Okay, see, this is s1. What? bla is nothing but s1, means set of string 1, a set of str1, and bta is nothing but set 2. Okay, here two L's are there. Now why it is only one L? Means if an element is there already, then it will not include that same element once again in the sets concepts. Okay, now we have to common, means we have to what we should print? B comma A or A comma B based on the compiler, sorry, interpreter. Now let's see. I'll take a variable com. It's nothing but common is equal to s1 intersection. I said no. Intersection means nothing but common between the two sets. Now that concept only I'm applying here. Here this ampersand is used as an intersection in such concepts in Python. Okay. S1 intersection S2 means set of 1 intersection set of 2 means these only. Now I print this, print com. Now let's see the, now I'm running. So what? First string BALL, next other string BAT, output C, B and A. These are the common elements in a strings. Let's try another example. See, suppose cool, pot, other. Now what is the common element? O. O will print. Okay. Now we'll take a sentence. See, he is he is a good boy. Next, he is a bad boy. See, these many letters are there. Here space also is there. No, space also will be included. Means as a common character in the strings. So that's why space also is printed in the output scheme. Okay. H is there, E is there, common, I is there, S is there, and A is also there. O is also there, Y is also there, B is also there. So that's why these are the letters. A space also is there. Space is common in both strings now. That's why it printed space also. A space Y, E, I, D, S, H, B, O. These are the common letters in these two strings. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If the video is nice, like it and share it to your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.